Today we will discuss some remaining portion of wind, storm and cyclone. Wind speed. The wind speed is measured by an instrument called anemometer. Direction of wind. The direction of wind at a place is found by using an instrument called wind vane. Storm. A period of violent weather with strong winds and rain or snow is called a storm. It is called tufan in Hindi. Lightning. A natural flow of high voltage electricity within a cloud which appears as a bright flash of light in the sky is called lightning. Thunder. The loud sound which is heard a little after a lightning flash is seen in the sky is called thunder. Thunderstorm. A storm with thunder and lightning is called thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is accompanied by heavy rains or hail. It is produced by dark clouds which form at fairly low altitude in the atmosphere. It develops in hot and humid tropical areas very frequently. Cyclone. A cyclone is a huge revolving storm caused by very high speed winds blowing around a central area of very low pressure in the atmosphere. It is formed over warm sea water and it is about 10 to 15 kilometers high. It revolves due to the force exerted by the rotation of Earth. The center of cyclone is a calm area and is called the eye of the cyclone. Tornado. A tornado is a violent storm with a column of rapidly rotating winds having the appearance of a dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground. Most of the tornadoes form from thunderstorm. A violent tornado can travel at a speed of about 300 km per hour. How a cyclone is formed. Cyclone is formed in the atmosphere over warm sea water near the equator during the hottest summer months. Factors like temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, and rotation of Earth contribute to the development of a cyclone. What is the other name of cyclone? A cyclone is known by different names in different parts of the world. A cyclone is called hurricane in the American continent. A cyclone is called typhoon in Japan and Philippines. What destruction causes cyclones? A cyclone can topple trees, electric poles, telephone pole and vehicles, damage house and hurl people through air, etc., causing a great loss of life and property. The fast-moving flood water brought in by a cyclone destroy roads and railway tracks, wash away vehicles, damage houses, drown people and animals, and damage crops causing a great loss of life and property. What precautions should be taken for protection during a tornado? Take shelter in a room situated deep inside the house having no windows. Shut all the doors and windows of the house and take shelter under a sturdy table. Stay away from fallen electric wires and stay out of damaged area.